What's going on, guys? So today is a video that has been procrastinated a bit, but finally it's getting done. I'm doing the APR stage 2 pop and bang tune, so you guys will be able to hear that now. My microphone isn't working right now, so you guys will just have to hear it without. But let me know about the video quality, see if it's any better than before. Put it down in the comments. Enjoy the exhaust clips. Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna cut this video short here for today, Monday. I'm getting ready to go to Florida, so I'm trying to get everything set for the car. I need to wash it, and then I gotta tape it up tomorrow. So I'm gonna have a video of that tomorrow, hopefully. But hope you guys enjoyed Monday's video. I'm trying to keep to the Monday through Thursday upload. So hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video and understand why it's so short, because I need to pack for Florida. Wind noise probably happening right now. So hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys like the videos, like my channel, subscribe, like the video, and I will catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.